ओम शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। असह्यपीडं भगवन् ऋणमर्त्यन् अन्त्यमवेहि मे।
अस्य असह्यपीडं भगवन् ऋणमन्त्यमवेहि मे। असह्यपीडं भगवन् ऋणमन्त्यमवेहि मे।
अरुन्तुदमिवाला इवालानम् अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः।
अरुन्तुदमिवालानम् अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः। अरुन्तुदमिवालानमनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः। असह्यपीडं भगवन् ऋणम् अन्त्यम् एव
अन्त्यम् अवेहि।
ओ अन्त्यम् अवेहि अवेहि मे। अरुन्तुदम् इव आलानम् अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः।
अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः। What is the kriyapadam?
अवेहि
अवेहि।
अवेहि
अवेहि
कम् अवेहि अन्त्यम् अन्त्यम् अवेहि ऋणम्
असह्यपीडम् अवेहि।
असह्यपीडम् अवेहि
असह्यपीडम् अवेहि। किम् असह्यपीडम् अवेहि?
किम् असह्यपीडं ऋणम् असह्यपीडम्।
ऋणम् असह्यपीडम् अवेहि। कीदृशं ऋणम्?
कीदृशं ऋणम्? अन्त्यं ऋणम्।
कस्य?
मे।
हे भगवन्, हे भगवन्, अन्त्यं ऋणम् असह्यपीडम् अवेहि मे। अन्त्यं ऋणम् असह्यपीडम् अवेहि। किमिव असह्यपीडम् अवेहि?
आलानम् इव।
अरुन्तुदम् आलानमिव। आलानमिव। आलानं कथं भूतम्?
अरुन्तुदम्
कस्य?
अनिर्वाणस्य
दन्तिनः।
दन्तिनः। दन्तिनः
कथं भूतस्य दन्तिनः?
अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः।
अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः अरुन्तुदमालानमिव असह्यपीडम् अवेहि। सो देन्, हे भगवन्, मे अन्त्यं ऋणम् अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः अरुन्तुदम् आलानमिव असह्यपीडम् अवेहि। So what is he telling? Hey Bhagavan. Okay, oh Mahatma. Me antyam rinam. So my antyam, what is antyam? The last.
Last
one. The last rinam. What is the last rinam?
Pitra.
How many rinas are there? So how many rinas are there?
3 rinas.
Deva
ऋषि ऋण पितृण
Jayamano havai brahmanas tribhir rinavaanjayate. So you have 3 rinas. So what is this last rina? That is pitriyam rinam. Antyam nama pitriyam. अथवा पैतृकम् अथवा पितृयं ऋणं। कथमस्ति इदं ऋणम् इत्युक्तौ अनिर्वाणस्य। Have you heard the word nirvana? What is Nirvanam? Moksha.
But நிறைய இடத்துல they'll use it, மியூசிக்கு நிறைய யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க.
Nirvana, there are many bands with the name Nirvana, right? So you have Nirvana, Moksha, bands. These are all bands. So the word Nirvana is mostly used in the sense of moksha in Buddhist texts. Bauddha Shastre, Jaineshvapi, Bauddheshu Jaineshvapi, Nirvana Shabdaha Moksha Paryayavachataya. Nirvanam Nivrittau Mokshe Vinashe Gajamajjane. But here Nirvana doesn't mean moksha. Nirvana means Gajamajjanam. Gajamajjanam of Nirvana. Gajamajjanam nama? Majjanam means going into water. So Anirvanasya. Anirvanasya means the elephant which is not having bath or having Gajamajjanam. So for elephants, getting into water is a very important function. If they don't get into water from time to time, they get very much irritated. So he's telling, how is this? Not getting rid of the third rina is very painful. Asahya pidam. It's very painful. How it is very painful? It is similar to the pain that the elephant, which is not taking bath and is tied to one of the pole. Okay. So normally they are tied, right? So that pole is called as alanam. Alanam bandhanastambha. And how is this alanam? Idam alanam aruntudam. Aruntudam nama marmasprak. It is creating deep wounds. Deep wounds. So the pain of an elephant which is not taking proper bath and is tied to a pole which is actually creating deep wounds. So how does that kind of an elephant will experience an unbearable pain? Similarly, I am also experiencing an unbearable pain because of the third rana, that is the Paitrika rana, not getting rid. So here Dileepa is the Gaja and he is bound. Tasya bandhanam kimasti tritiyam ranam bandhanam. Paitrikam ranam bandhanam. And it is creating lot of pain. Iti avehi. So kindly notice that I am having this kind of a pain which is very unbearable. So we have this. Then how to get rid of that Paitrikam ranam? By having kids. Sahi ranam devasya yagena rishinam dana karmana santatya pitrulokanam shodhayitva parivrajit. So devasya ranam yagena shodhayitva. So how to get rid of devarana is to, or pay the debt of devarana is to yagena, by performing your nitya naimittika karma. Rishinam dana karmana. Rishirina by performing dana. It could be vidya dana. Mostly it is like vidya dana or vidya arjana. Then santatya pitrulokana. Pitrulokanam santatya. Santatihi nama kim? Apatyam. Santatihi nama apatyam. So by kids that you get rid of the pitrurina, shodhayitva parivrajit. Only after getting or paying these three what you call debts, that you can take sannyasa or you can further your ashrama, go whether into vanaprastha or sannyasa. Essentially it is said that these three rinas are, people are bound, especially with the pitru rina who are married. So how to get rid of it? And the purpose of marriage is also only that, to get rid of Pitrugana. So the all vows and everything around marriage are centered or they are focused on what you call the progeny. तर्हि सन्तत्यर्थमेव विवाहः. मुख्यं कर्म किं मुख्यं फलं किम् इत्युक्तौ सन्ततिरेव. कस्य किमर्थं तथा इत्युक्तौ पितृऋणं तथैव अपगच्छति इत्यतः एव तस्य मुख्योद्देशः अपि विवाहस्य सन्ततिरेव. वाचा दत्ता मया कन्या पुत्रार्थे स्वीकृता त्वया. So this is what is the pratigna that is being done at the Vang Nishchaya, at the engagement. Vacha datta maya kanya. I am giving my daughter to you through my vak. That is, I am now saying that, making a statement, or I am giving you a promise that I am going to give you my daughter to you as a wife. Why? And you have taken it by putrarthe svikrita tvaya. Putra means not only son, but it is essentially progeny. You are taking her for the sake of kids. So therefore, you cannot go beyond that, or you cannot break this sacred vow. So such it is normally being done. So that is why it is very much important to have kids, is what he is telling. And it is creating a lot of problem. It's very painful for me.
Asahya Pidam. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Asahya Pida Shabdasya Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Bhagavan Takaranta
No, it's the Dvitiya. Avehi Kimityavehi. So Avehi is to know. What to know. So what is the subject of the knowledge that will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti? Ghatam Avehi.
Bhagavan Takaranta Pumlinga Bhagavat Shabdasya Sambodhana Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Rinam Akaranta Napumsakalinga Rina Shabdasya
No. So you have to say it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Rinam Asahya Pidam Avehi. Okay.
Akaranta Pumlinga. Pumlinga Rina Shabdasya Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam. Apa Asahya Pidamu
Asahya Pidam. No, not essentially, because there is no Vishesha Visheshana Bhava here.
Okay.
So it is moreover like Tam Kim Samichinam Janihi. Know him as a good person. So they don't have this Vishesha Vishesha Bhava, but it is called as Dvikarmaka. So there are two karma karakas.
Akaranta Pumlinga Rina Shabdasya Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Antyam Akaranta Napumsakalinga.
If it is Rinam, Antyam is again a Visheshana to Rina. So it will be in Pullinga.
Akaranta Pumlinga Antya Shabdasya Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Avehi
Inigato. Ava ityupasarga purvaka inigato.
Inigato Vidhiling.
Loti. Vidhiling. Lot. Loti. Loti madhyama purusha ekavachanam.
Madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Me Dakaranta Trishulingeshu Asmat Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Aruntudam
Pumlinga.
Akaranta Pumlinga Aruntuda Shabdasya Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Iva Avyaya Padam.
Alanam is a Napumsakalinga.
Alanam Akaranta Napumsakalinga Alana Shabdasya Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Dvitiya Anirvanasya Akaranta
Pumlinga.
Akaranta Pumlinga अनिर्वाणशब्दस्य षष्ठीविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं दन्तिनः नकारान्त पुंलिङ्ग दन्तिन् शब्दस्य षष्ठीविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम्
असह्यपीडम् असह्या पीडा यस्य सः असह्यपीडः तम् असह्यपीडम् अन्त्यम् अन्ते भवमन्त्यम् अनिर्वाणस्य न विद्यते निर्वाणः निर्वाणं यस्य सः अनिर्वाणः. So it is not a nai tatpurusha, it is a bahuvrihi. Okay,
இப்போ இது அனிர்பான பேர் அது
அனிர்பன் சக்கரவர்த்தி.
அதுக்கும் இதுக்கும் ஏதாவது சம்பந்தம்?
You don't know, we have to see. That is not Anirvan. Pustakatya.
असह्यपीडं भगवन् ऋणमन्त्यमवेहि मे अरुञ्चुदं वालानम् अनिर्वाणस्य दन्तिनः.
We'll stop here. நாளைக்கு இருப்பியா?